Hey y'all! Today we're diving into the wonderful world of homeschooling with My Father's World, or MFW for short. My Father's World, MFW, is a popular homeschool curriculum designed to provide a Christian-based education. It integrates various subjects into cohesive units and emphasizes hands-on learning. In this here video, we'll explore 10 key features of MFW that make it so special. So, grab yourself a glass of sweet tea and let's saddle up for an in-depth look at this comprehensive and faith-filled curriculum. Now, y'all know that faith and family are close to my heart, and that's one of the things I love most about My Father's World. This curriculum is rooted in Christian teachings like a sturdy oak tree planted by the river. Each lesson incorporates biblical principles, helping students grow in their faith while they're learning their ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. My Father's World aims to instill Christian values and a strong moral foundation in students. It's not just about head knowledge, but about heart knowledge too. It's about raising kind, compassionate, and faithful young people who are ready to make a difference in the world. With MFW, you can be confident that your children are receiving an education that nourishes both their minds and their souls. So if you're looking for a curriculum that puts God at the center, My Father's World just might be the answer to your prayers. It's like giving them a sturdy pair of boots to navigate the sometimes rocky road of life. Now let's talk about how My Father's World makes learning a rip-roaring adventure. Imagine, instead of learning about history, science, and literature in separate silos, your children get to explore them all together through engaging unit studies. With MFW's unit study approach, your children wouldn't just memorize dates and names. They delve into the mysteries of the pyramids, learn about the fascinating lives of pharaohs, and maybe even try their hand at hieroglyphics. This approach makes learning so much more interesting and meaningful because it connects different subjects through a common theme. It's like reading a captivating book together as a family, getting lost in the world of ancient Egypt, the Roman Empire, or the American Revolution. My Father's World offers a refreshing alternative, igniting a passion for learning in your children. Now, y'all know I believe in a gentle approach to life, and that includes education. That's why I appreciate My Father's World's incorporation of Charlotte Mason's educational philosophy. Charlotte Mason believed in living books, books that are engaging, well-written, and full of life. Instead of dry textbooks, MFW uses these living books to bring history, science, and literature to life. MFW encourages children to get outside, explore the great outdoors, and learn from God's creation firsthand. It's about fostering a sense of wonder and appreciation for the natural world. MFW, following Charlotte Mason's principles, emphasizes the development of good habits, like diligence, kindness, and responsibility. This gentle approach to education helps students develop a love for learning that lasts a lifetime. Now, if you've got a house full of little cowboys and cowgirls like I do, you know that managing homeschooling for multiple ages can be a real rodeo. But don't you worry, My Father's World is here to wrangle those challenges with its multi-age learning approach. MFW is designed to teach multiple children of different ages together, making it easier for parents to manage homeschooling and allowing siblings to learn from and with each other. The curriculum includes activities and lessons that can be adapted for different age groups. This multi-age approach not only simplifies your homeschooling routine, but it also fosters a beautiful sense of togetherness in your family. Imagine the bonds that strengthen as your children collaborate on projects, help each other with assignments, and celebrate each other's successes. Now let's talk about the feast of knowledge that My Father's World serves up. This curriculum is like a well-stocked pantry, offering a complete and balanced educational diet for your children. My Father's World covers a wide range of subjects, including Bible, history, geography, science, literature, art, and music. Imagine your children diving into the depths of the ocean in science class, then traveling through time to ancient civilizations in history, and then expressing their creativity through art projects inspired by their learning. This comprehensive approach ensures a well-rounded education, preparing students for higher education and life beyond school. It's like giving them the tools and knowledge they need to build a strong foundation for their future. My Father's World offers a banquet of knowledge that will satisfy even the hungriest learner. Now, y'all know I'm all about getting my hands dirty in the kitchen, and I believe learning should be just as engaging. That's why I love that my father's world incorporates so many hands-on activities, projects, and experiments. Imagine your children building a model of the solar system, complete with planets hanging from the ceiling, or creating a timeline of historical events that stretches across your living room floor. These hands-on activities engage students and make learning more enjoyable. They get to touch, build, create, and experiment, transforming abstract concepts into tangible experiences. For example, instead of just reading about the Great Wall of China, your children might build their own miniature version using sugar cubes and frosting. Hands-on learning helps reinforce concepts and makes lessons memorable. It's about creating aha moments that stick with your children long after the lesson is over. Now, just like building a sturdy log cabin, education requires a strong foundation and a step-by-step approach. That's where my father's world sequential learning path comes in. My father's world offers a sequential learning path from preschool through high school. Each year builds on the previous one, ensuring continuous and progressive learning. Imagine your children starting with the basics of reading, writing, and arithmetic in the early years, then gradually progressing to more complex concepts as they grow older. This structured approach helps students develop a strong foundation in each subject. So if you're looking for a curriculum that provides a clear and logical progression of learning, my father's world offers a well-structured path that will guide your children from their first steps in education to their high school graduation and beyond. Now, I know that taking on the role of a homeschooling parent can feel like a big undertaking. But let me tell you, with my father's world, you're not alone. It's like having a trusty sidekick by your side, guiding you every step of the way. Each MFW curriculum package comes with detailed teacher's manuals. These manuals provide daily lesson plans, instructions, and additional resources. They take the guesswork out of homeschooling, providing a clear roadmap for each day and each subject. The step-by-step guides help parents feel confident in their teaching, even if they don't have a background in education. So, whether you're a seasoned homeschooling pro or just starting out, my father's world's teacher's manuals are there to support you every step of the way. Now, just like a good cast iron skillet, a well-rounded education should be seasoned with experiences and perspectives from around the world. That's why I appreciate my father's world's emphasis on fostering a global perspective in their curriculum. The curriculum includes a global perspective, encouraging students to learn about different cultures, geography, and history from around the world. For example, a unit might explore the cultures of Africa, Asia, or South America. Your children might learn about the ancient traditions of Japan, the vibrant art of India, or the fascinating wildlife of the Amazon rainforest. This approach helps students appreciate diversity and understand the world beyond their own experiences. It's about raising compassionate global citizens who are aware of the interconnectedness of our world and the challenges we face together. My father's world provides a wonderful foundation for developing a global perspective. Now, just like a sprinkle of sugar adds a touch of sweetness, my father's world offers a variety of supplemental materials to enrich and enhance the core curriculum. These include reading lists, educational games, and enrichment activities. Imagine your children curled up with a captivating book from the recommended reading list, their imaginations ignited by stories from different cultures and time periods. Or picture them gathered around the table, engaged in a lively game that reinforces the concepts they're learning in their lessons. These resources provide additional opportunities for learning and exploration, making education more fun and engaging. So, if you're looking for ways to add an extra dash of excitement to your homeschooling, be sure to check out the wealth of supplemental materials offered by My Father's World. It's about creating a learning environment that's not just informative, but also fun, engaging, and full of delightful surprises. Well, friends, we've reached the end of our homeschooling roundup. I hope this little chat has given you a taste of what My Father's World is all about. My Father's World is a well-rounded, Christian-based homeschool curriculum that emphasizes hands-on learning and a global perspective. Whether you are just starting with homeschooling or looking for a new curriculum, My father's world offers a structured and thoughtful approach to education. Happy homeschooling, y'all! If you like videos like this, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching Russell's Loving Life.